Order of operations. The order in which we calculate or simplify a mathematical expression is in the following. First, we do parentheses. Parentheses look like a grouping symbol that look like curved brackets. We do those first. The next one we do is exponents. Exponents, if you will remember, is the number of times a value is multiplied by itself, usually written as a small number above to the right of whatever number you're talking about. Here, n is an exponent. The next thing we do is multiplication and division. We do this from left to right. And the last step is to add or subtract. We also do addition and subtraction from left to right, whichever comes first. Let's do a few examples. Our first example is seen here. First of all, we have to see what we need to do first in our order of operations, which is parentheses. So here we're going to have to take the 3 minus 2 and do whatever's inside the parentheses first. Everything else just gets left alone. Here we have 3 minus 2, which is 1. And again, we write everything else exactly as it appears. The next is exponents. We see exponents here in 3 cubed. So we will do it first and we'll leave everything else exactly the way it is. 3 times 3, which is 3 cubed, is actually 27 because 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. The next we'll need to do is multiplication and division from left to right. As we see, 16 with the parentheses 1 as actually a multiplication symbol, 16 times 1, so we will do it first. Then we'll do the division because it comes next. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Next we do any addition and subtraction. 4 plus 27 is 31, and we are completed. This solution to this expression is 31. Our second example is 7 times 8 divided by 2 cubed plus 35 divided by 7. Our first step is to look at the parentheses. Here we have 2 sets of parentheses, but we can do them in the same step. 7 times 8 is our first one. It is 56, so we rewrite that as 56. Anything not in those grouping symbols, we just write down. Here we have 35 divided by 7, which is 5. Next is exponents. 56 has no exponents. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, so 2 cubed is 8. Next we have to multiply or divide. Here we only have division, so we take 56 divided by 8, which is 7. Now we add or subtract. So the mathematical expression above is the same or equivalent to 12. Here's a couple examples I'd like for you to do on your own. Write them down and bring them to class and see if you get the solution correct. I will have it posted.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.